Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to measure a curve in Bluebeam. So if you need to determine the length of a curved object such as road, pipe, cable, river, conduit or curved wall, Bluebeam Revit lets you to do this using the polylength measurement tool. And here is how you do that. So before you begin, you have to make sure that the drawing scale has been set correctly. So let's say this is the drawing. So if the page isn't calibrated, your measurements won't be accurate. So if the scale hasn't been set yet, just go ahead and click on tools. Once you click on tools, click on measure, then click on set scale, and then it takes you here. Click on custom, click on calibrate, and click on OK. So you can click here and no. So okay, I'm gonna go over the back. I think I lost it. The tools to measure, set scale, cost, apply scale. Oh no, supposed to calibrate it. So this is where we want to, so from one end to one end, and just leave it, then just apply. So you can see that it has been set for you. So I can just go ahead and click on apply scale. So once the scale is ready, then go back to tools. Once you go back to tools, go to measure, and for measure you have pulley length, so click on pulley length. So once the scale is once that is done, you can select the pulley length tool from the measurements toolbar if it's already visible. That's another way to get that done. That's without having to go to tools and then to measure and then to pulley length. So but then pulley length is already activated now. So just move your cursor to the starting point of the curve. So let's say this is the starting point of the curve, and click once to place your first point. Now continue following the curve. As the curve changes direction, just click to place additional points along its part. So the more points that you place, the more closely the measurement follows the curve and the more accurate the results will be. So continue tracing until you reach the end of the other curve. Now when you have placed the final point, double click to finish the measurements. So Bluebeam immediately creates a poly length markup and displays the total length of the curve. As you can see, that's what you have in here. So to see additional measurement details, you can select the you can select the completed markup, and you can just open, you can just select it, then you can go back to, you can open properties, the properties menu. Oh, no, I'm not doing any other thing again. No. Let's see, okay, let's see. Just leave it, leave it at that. So you can just open the properties menu, which we have in here, and then head over to the measurement panel to look at it here. Pulley length measurement properties, and here you can view all the information such as the total length, the measurement units, the scale being used, the line, the color, the thickness, and the appearance. So if you need to improve the accuracy after placing the measurement, you don't have to start over. Just select the pulley length markup and you see the control points along the measured path. So just click and draw any existing control point to better match the curve. Okay, so that is pretty much how that works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.